Hola, hola. Welcome to Fan for Spanish Materials. Today's video is going to be about some quantifiers, some words we use to express like quantity of things. So let's say very, yeah, it's very, or a lot, or many, yeah, also lots of, or much, yeah. So we're going to have a look at this here in Spanish. So uh, we are going to have just two here. The first one, and very common, is very. Very in Spanish is muy, and you say muy, yeah, like a little cow, muy. So muy plus the adjective. That's it. Ella es muy bonita. She is very beautiful. It's very easy, right? Pretty much muy is very. Yeah. Ellos son muy altos. They are very tall. Yeah. Um, Another one here. Eres muy inteligente. You are very intelligent. Vosotros sois muy impacientes. You guys are very impatient. So, yeah, muy is very. That's it. Not difficult. Simple. Now, for much or a lot, Uh, we are going to use mucho. And look, it's actually very similar. Mucho, much, a lot, or lots of. Yeah. Um, let's have a look at this, some examples. Oh, something important here is mucho or mucha. This is much or a lot. But if you have an S, it's going to become many because this is countable. These are countable nouns. So like bananas or dollars. And one banana, two bananas, three bananas, $1, $3, right? $2, $3. But mucho are for uncountable things like money. You don't say one money, two monies, three monies. Monies is not countable. You cannot count money with one, two, three. Yeah. Or milk. Water, one water, two waters, three waters. Water is not countable like this. You can say one bottle of water, two bottles of water, three bottles of water. So remember, mucho, mucha is pretty much the same, a lot or much, and muchos, muchas is the many. That's it. We use it the same. I mean, this concept of being uncountable or uncountable is the same as in English. It's exactly the same concept. So don't worry about this much. Just use these words exactly the way you use them in English. When you want to say much or a lot, use mucho, mucha. When you want to say many, just muchos, muchas. The O in the A indicates the gender, okay? So sometimes it's mucho, sometimes it's mucha, if what you're talking about is feminine. Sometimes it's muchos, if it's many, but male things, or muchas is if it's female, male, like female things. Let's have a look at some examples here. Yo como mucho. I eat a lot. Tú tienes mucha agua. You have a lot of water. Lots of water. Uh, Hay muchos animales en mi casa. There are many animals in my house. Tengo muchas monedas. I have many coins. Yeah. So that would be it. Now, how to practice this, and this is the tricky part. Well, we are going to use Um, oh, one thing before that, no mucho is not much. So you can use it. Uh, no mucho is not much. So do you work a lot? No, not much. Um, so use it a lot. Okay, not much. No mucho. Okay. Okay. Let's carry on how to practice this. So my recommendation would be, well, have a look at these questions and answers, and also first, study your Quizlet flashcards for some time, maybe 30 minutes, 20, 40 minutes if you have more time, of course. And then we're going to practice them in real life situations. So we have conversations with people. We are going to describe things with the word very. She is very intelligent. My city is very clean. My table is very big, and so on. Okay, so you use the muy. Um, mm, and to use the many or much, we're gonna talk about things that you have in your place. So you can say en mi casa, in my place, in my house, en mi casa hay muchos libros. There are many books. You can say en mi casa hay mucho espacio. It's like there's a lot of space. Yeah. And everything that is in your house, use countable and uncountable things. Just say in my house there are, and just you're gonna see that sometimes you use muchos because it's there are, sometimes you use mucho because there is, it's just one, and it's uncountable. So just by practicing these two things here, yeah, you're going to um, feel more comfortable with the very and the many and much, or a lot. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video lesson, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.